So what do you do if you want to install that brand new cumulative update for Windows 11, but this pesky .NET framework keeps getting in the way and it keeps failing and you have the installation at 0%. You've run through the Windows troubleshooter, it doesn't work, and you're stuck. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I solved this problem. And I'm going to put the code that I used, which came from another website, a blog, right below this video. So let's jump into this. All right, so first of all, welcome to the channel. This is a really specific situation that many of you might be having. If it's not this update, it could be another update. But let's face it, sometimes updates get clogged. Let's say an update was downloading at the same moment as you shut off your computer. And for some reason, Windows just can't update. There's a .NET framework that's just getting in the way and you're stuck at 0%. Well, here's the solution. You go create a batch file, and this batch file is going to reset all of your settings and delete all of your previous update unfinished installations so you can start a nice fresh update. So what you do is you open up Notepad and then copy and paste the code that is in the description of this video directly into Notepad and save it on your hard drive as .netfix.bat. That's a BAT extension. Then make sure that you show the file name extensions inside of your viewport. So you can now right-click on this file and then run as administrator. And what this file will do is it will run in the background and it will clean out all of the Windows installations that are stuck. It worked really well for me, and I was able to continue my update and get all the way to 100%. So I hope that you appreciate this video. Please let me know in the comments if it worked for you, and like and share it. And we look forward to seeing you as a subscriber to our channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.